So welcome, must solve this maths problem. So let's start with the solution. So we are trying to ask to solve the value for a. So we have 8 to the power of a is equals to 42. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to introduce the log on both sides. So we shall now have the log of 8 to the power of a is equals to the log of 42. So when you have, for example, the log of p to the power of k, this one can be written as k, the log of p, that is according to the law of logarithms. So to mean that the log of 8 to the power of a can be written as a, the log of 8, then is equals to the log of 42. Then let's divide both sides by the log of 8, divide by the log of 8. So when you do that, shall remain with a on this other side, that is equals to the log of 42, then all over the log of 8. So the next part now is to simplify this maths problem very fast. So now a is equals to the log of 42 can be written as the log of 6 multiplied by 7. Then you put it into bracket, then all over our log of 8. Then the next part now, when you have the log of a multiplied by b, this one can be written as the log of a plus the log of b according to the law of logarithms. So now our a is equals to the log of 6 plus the log of 7, then all over the log of 8. So all over the log of 8. So the next now is to divide both sides by the log of 8. So now we shall now have the log of 6, then all over the log of 8, then plus, then the log of 7, all over the log of 8. So next we shall say that the value for a is equals to log 6 can still be written as the log 3 multiplied by 2, then all over the log of 8 plus the log of 7 all over the log of 8. So we shall say that, so now we shall say that a is equals to, so this one now shall have log 3 plus the log of 2, then all of them we shall divide by the log of 8. So divide by the log of 8, divide by the log of 8, then plus log 7 all over the log of 8. So when you have, for example, the log of p all over the log of m, so this one can be written as the log of p to the base of m. So now our final answer now shall be the value for a shall be the log of 3 to the base of 8, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 8, plus the log of 7 to the base of 8. So this one now qualifies to be almost correct and the best answer. So you can still confirm this answer very fast and check if it's really true. So we had 8 to the power of a, which is equals to 42. So instead of writing a, we shall now have 8 to the power of the log of 3 to the base of 8, then plus again, we shall still have plus again 8, the log of 2 to the base of 8, then again plus 8, the log of 7 to the base of 8. So remember that we shall now say that when you have the log of base 8 to the to 8, the log base 8 cancel this 8, so now we shall have 3. So 3, the plus shall now change to multiplication, then log 8 to the base of 8 shall cancel this 8, so now we shall have 2. Then the plus shall now change to multiplication, then the log to the base of 8 shall cancel with this 8, so now we shall have 7. So all of them was equals to 42. Then here is equals to 42. So let's now confirm if this answer is really true. So now 3 multiplied by 2, now we shall now have 6 multiplied by 7, which is equals to 42. So now 42 is equals to 42. So meaning that our answer is very correct when you say that the value for a is equals to the log of 3 to the base of 8 plus the log of 2 to the base of 8, then plus the log of 7 to the base of 8. So if you really loved how I've worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.